Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you had an amazing Christmas. For today's look, I created a purple eyeshadow. This is something that you can wear on New Year's Eve so you can bring in the new year. I tried to have this video up before the 31st, but I got really busy. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, so if you want to learn how I created this look, please keep on watching. So first I'm going to be taking this Lancome corrector. I'm going to be applying it all over my eyelid, and that's going to be used as my primer. Moving on to the crease area, I'm going to be taking I Love Sarai's ColourPop Saucy Palette in color Lit Metallic, and I'm going to be taking it in with the blending brush. I'm going to be applying it all over my crease and then just blending that out. Moving on to my second transition color, I'm going to be taking color Heavy Glam in Metallic, again from the Saucy palette, and I'm just going to be applying that all over my crease and then just blending it all out with any blending brush. Now moving on to the cut crease. So for the cut crease, I'm going to be taking my Tarte Shade Tip Concealer in color Light Medium, and for this I'm taking a small flat brush so I could carve out the cut crease, and we're going to be taking it slowly because I don't have a lot of experience on the cut crease, but I am learning, so I will get better at it and I will perfect it, trust me. Fast forward to a lot of minutes later, I moved in and started carving it out with a smaller brush because the brush I was using was very thick, so I just moved into this small angled brush and it helped me curve out the crease a lot better. Now to set my concealer, I'm going to be taking color Noche from the Cheeky palette, again from I Love Sarai's collab with ColourPop, and I'm just going to be applying that over that concealer, and then that way we can apply our shimmery shade. Now moving into our lid, I'm going to be taking color Chick Happens from Saucy palette, again from I Love Sarai, and I'm going to be applying that all over my lid. Now I'm going to be taking this NYX matte liquid liner and I'm going to be creating my wing line. Moving on to the lower lash line, I'm going to be taking color Heavy Glam, same color as we used on our crease, and I'm going to be blending it out, and I'm going to give it like a smoky look. Now I'm going to be applying some black eyeliner to my waterline. Now moving on to the face, I'm going to be taking Tarte's Poreless Primer and applying that all over my face. For foundation, I'm going to be using MAC Studio Fix Fluid in color NC40. Now I'm going to be taking Lancome's color corrector, and I'm going to be using that as my concealer, and I'm going to be applying that under my eyes and as well as any dark spots that I have in my face. Now for bronzer, I'm going to be taking Color Blunt by MAC, and I'm going to be applying that to the hollow of my cheeks and then just blending it out, and then that's just going to help shape my face a little. Moving on to my setting powder, I'm going to be using MAC's Invisible Powder, and I'm going to be taking that, applying that over my concealer, and I'm going to be setting it, and as well as right under my cheekbones where we used that bronzer. That's going to help contour my face a little bit more, and then just kind of like define the whole area. While that powder sits in, I'm going to be moving on to my mascara. For mascara, I'm using Maybelline's Rocket Volume Express mascara. I'm going to be applying it to my top lashes, blending them out with the fake lashes, and then I'm going to be applying it to my lower lashes as well. Here I'm applying MAC's Powder Blush in Copper Tone, and that's in matte. Now I'm going to be taking 2 shades out of the Carly Bible Deluxe palette, and I'm going to be using one of them for my tear duct and the other one for my highlight. Now to finish off the look, I'm going to be taking Olive Sarai's Curvy Lipstick. Alright guys, so this concludes the final look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give me a like and hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next year. Bye!